Using Google Sheet, we can translate any language to another language and using the formula. Let's learn. For example, I'm going to convert into some languages. Let's see how quickly it is picking up, right? And first value, I will go for Hindi. Just put Google Translate and I'm just selecting this value, comma. This is in English and you can give Hindi, right? First two letter you can give, that is high, and you can give close the bracket. And within few seconds, this is being calculated, right? And similarly, we can do it for Urdu, right? Again, Google Translate, and you can go and select this value. This is in English, and comma, you can convert into Urdu. First two letter you can give, right? And you can see here for hello, it has come hello, and how are you? It will ask like aap kaise ho, right? You can see here aap kaise ho, like I'm fine, my take home, and things like this. Let's learn in Arabic. In Arabic for hello, you know that it is marhaba, right? So let's see Google Translate, and you can just select this value. This is in English and you wanted to convert into Arabic, and then this is how accurately it is picking up. And similarly, I want to convert into Tamil. You can give Google Translate and you can select this value and comma. This is in English and you can just put DA. So this has calculated now. And similarly, you can do it for Mandarin also. Google Translate. Okay, and you can select this value, comma. This is in English. And let's say you want to convert into French, right? So maybe I can give FR. You can just select here. Let's say this is in the French. Okay, and you can just double click. It has come. I hope you find it very useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.